everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. My name is Natasha and आपने टाइटल और थंबनेल में देखा होगा कि आज का वीडियो होने वाला है नायका हॉल. Yay! And all those who are watching this space for the first time, do check out my channel. If you like my videos, then consider subscribing. नायका से मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज किया है. सो दिस इज द बॉक्स एंड मैंने ऑलरेडी ओपन करके रखा है. सो एंड लेट मी टेल यू, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स मैं फर्स्ट टाइम यूज करने वाली हूँ. एक दो प्रोडक्ट रहेगा जो मैंने यूज किया हुआ है. सो ऑब्वियसली मेरे लिए फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन रहेगा. So yes, let's get into the video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start with the video. जो भी randomly मेरे हाथ में आता है वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी, ठीक है? So the first product is this mascara. I'm going to show you. Yes, this is the mascara. This is Maybelline New York the Falsy Lash Lift Mascara, and the packaging is quite cute. I didn't open it yet, so it's quite cute and classy. So I used to use the Maybelline Hypercurl wala mascara, and that was awesome. I just love that mascara. So I thought let's try something different, which gives a very dramatic length and volume to your lashes. So I thought let's try this one. This cost rupees 467. And the Hypercurl one is little bit sasta than this. This is 467 rupees. And the Falsy Lash Lift, I hope it lives up to its name. Because of the name only I bought this. So yes, I'm looking forward to try this mascara. So yes, I hope it works like magic. And guys, if you want me to do a comparison video between the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara and this mascara, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that. Or any other mascara that you want me to do the comparison, do let me know in the comment section. So yeah, this is the first product. And guys, now let me show you the next item is a lip balm. So this is how it looks like. It is from the brand Blue Heaven. It's called Lip Balm Strawberry Surprise Flavored Lip Balm. This is how it looks like. How cute it looks. Wow. So yes, actually I wanted the bubblegum flavor one, but वो out of stock हो गया था. So मैंने सोचा कि ये वाला खरीद लेते हैं. And this is a best seller from Nykaa. Because of its high rating, I purchased this. वैसे काफी सारी चीजें जो है मैंने products replace किया है अपना, just to try it out, try new products. So this is one of them. So yes, it looks so cute, and I'll show you how it looks inside. And let me tell you, it's written shea butter, vitamin E, almond oil, with natural ingredients. So because of the high ratings, as I said, it had, so it, I just thought I should buy this. And the packaging is so cute. And let me tell you, this is an Indian brand. So yes, let me open it and show it to you. And by the way, this is rupees 77 only. Likha hai 85 rupees, but on Nykaa, it's 77 rupees. So I got this of 77 rupees. So yes, look how cute it looks. है ना, कितना क्यूट लग रहा है. सो लेट मी स्मेल इट एंड सी हाउ इट इज. It does not have any strong fragrance at all. It is very mild fragrance, very mild strawberry fragrance. So it looks super cute also. And now let me just see how it is. Yes, it will be quite moisturizing. It will be quite moisturizing, little bit shiny. And it's not sticky. It's not sticky at all. So yes, good product. So I'm looking forward to use this also. I just love the cuteness of it. So cute. And now let me show you the next product. So and इस तरीके के पैकेजिंग में नायका के पैकेजिंग आता है बहुत ही सेफली. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी कि कोई प्रोडक्ट को कोई नुकसान होगा. सो गुड पैकेजिंग नायका. आई लाइक अबाउट नायका. पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी करते हैं. सो या लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. इज दिस Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash with Vitamin C and Turmeric. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And obviously this is not a sponsored video, not at all. I have seen many YouTubers talk about this, like promoting this brand and also using this brand. So yes, I thought I know it's too late, but देर आए दुरुस्त आए. I want to use this product. मेरा जो फेस वॉश है वो खत्म हो गया, and this is quite a very different face wash. So I thought ये तो यूज करना बनता है. So yes, it's for skin illuminating. So it's, as you know, Mamaearth is a very well-known brand. So many people use this brand. So मैं कैसे पीछे हटती. If you want review of this product, do let me know, because I haven't used this. This is the first time that I'll be using Mamaearth product, first buy. So it's paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin types, so best. So मैं ज्यादा बात नहीं करूंगी, मैं आपको इनर पैकेजिंग बताती हूँ किस तरह से है ये. On Nykaa you will get this of 399 rupees and it's also cruelty free, guys, so good. So the inner packaging is, this is something very different, very new, so how thoughtful of that. Wow, I just love this. And इसको निकालती हूँ मैं. This is how it looks like. This is a silicone brush. With this cover. So it also says deeply cleanses the skin with natural ingredients, promote clear complexion. So this product has brightening ingredients in it. So as you can see, it has inbuilt silicone brush in it. So what you have to do, just wet your face and neck and then just pump this and let the foaming face wash come out, and then with this inbuilt silicone brush just gently massage it on your face. And it will also remove dead skin and also clean your open pores amazingly. So yes, I'm looking forward to try this product. And if you want a complete review of this product, you know what to do. Do let me know in the comment section. So yes, looking forward to try this. And guys, let me tell you, along with this Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash, I got this Mamaearth Oil Free Moisturizer with Apple Cider Vinegar for acne prone skin. इसके साथ ये फ्री, तो सोने पे सुहागा. एंड लेट मी, मैंने काफी सारा रिव्यूज भी देखा है इसके बारे में, दैट इट रिड्यूस रेडनेस एंड इज फॉर एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. एज वी ऑल नो, एप्पल साइडर विनेगर इज जस्ट बैलेंस द pH लेवल ऑफ द स्किन. सो येस, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ट्राई दिस. एंड बाय द वे, दिस इज 99 रुपीज, पर मुझे ये फ्री मिला है इसके साथ. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सो लेट मी शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स इनसाइड. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. So yes, I'm looking forward to include this in my skincare routine. So yes, if you want review of this, comment section में बताओ. Yes. So yes, I'm already in love with Mamaearth products क्योंकि मुझे ये free में मिला है. Free. Good one. And now guys, let me show you the next product, which is a liquid matte lipstick. Lipstick नहीं है Nykaa haul में, makeup वीडियो है और मैंने lipstick नहीं बताया, तो Nykaa मेकअप हॉल तो इनकम्प्लीट रह जाएगा. सो दिस इज लिक्विड मैट लिपस्टिक. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. सो दिस इज थ्रू मैट निका के न्यूयॉर्क. सो यस, निका के न्यूयॉर्क की तरफ से ये लिपस्टिक है एंड इट इज इन द शेड टर्किश रोज. दिस इज, look how pretty and beautiful the shade is. It is like a rosy, rosy nude shade. I don't wear much of nude shades. I'm a little skeptical in buying, like I should buy or not. I hope this color does not look washy on me. So yes, this is the first time I'll be using a nude shade. So yes, I thought of buying this product. I just thought चलो मैं ये वाला brand का लेके आती हूँ, because I found this shade very cute. So let me show you inside. It is 3.5 gram net weight. This is of rupees 248 rupees on Nykaa. So yes, so let me swatch it and show you. Wow, the shade is very good. As you can see, so beautiful shade. I think this shade is going to look very nice on me. You can wear, this is like a, as I told you, rosy pinkish shade. You can wear this for everyday use, office use. So yes, I just love this shade. Look, है ना, बहुत अच्छा shade. The shade is so pretty and it is not sticky at all. So that is a good thing of a matte lipstick. Is ज़्यादा sticky नहीं है and the formula is not so drying also. So yes, I'm looking forward to how pretty the shade is. I'm so excited to wear this on my lips. आपको अच्छा लगा comment section में मुझे जरूर बताना. So the shade is so pretty. I think you should get this one. You will love it. So this will suit for skin tones like light to medium skin tone. So I think so कि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने वाला है. So I think highly recommend this one. Very nice. And the next product is a hair oil. So this is from the brand Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil with comb applicator. As I told you, most of the products I'll be using for the first time. So this is also one of the product which I haven't used it yet. So yes, looking forward to try this also. So this is how it looks like, the outer packaging. So it has onion drawn on it. This, it says it's non-sticky, non-greasy hair oil for silkier and stronger hair. Key ingredients also are onion and black seed oils with almond, castor, jojoba, olive and coconut oils. So yes, that's the best part of it, and it's dermatologically tested. Pure cold pressed oil blend which has no mineral oils, no silicones and no synthetic fragrance. And it has plant-based ingredients. So oh my god, इतनी सारी अच्छी बातें लिखी है इस प्रोडक्ट में, बहुत हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन है अभी इसके लिए. So it says it's suitable for all hair types. It is 100 ml and the price is 279 rupees on Nykaa. So Nykaa में तो सेल चलता ही रहता है. So yes, if you want me to do इसका भी review, do let me know in the comment section. This is how it looks like. This is a comb applicator. I'll show you how it looks inside. So I haven't opened it up. See, ऐसा है. So this is the comb applicator. So it comes with this information. This is the information. Okay, and the inner packaging. The packaging is also very secure, I would say. So as I told, this is 100 ml bottle of 279 rupees. So this is a comb applicator which helps spread oil evenly and also to avoid any spillage. The product says that it reduces hair fall, it repairs your damaged strands and also boost texture and gives shine to your hair. This product is all natural and toxic free, so that is why I thought of buying this product. It is 100% vegan. So yes, looking forward to try this hair oil. So the next product is nail polish. So this is the nail polish from Nykaa. It is in minty green color and the shade is Nykaa Cookie Crumble Mint Choco Chip 189. As I showed you, it looks so pretty. This is how it looks like. It's like minty green color, and I can review about Nykaa. I love Nykaa nail polishes. It dries up soon. I love the texture about it, and you should definitely try Nykaa nail polishes if you haven't tried it yet. So I'm a big fan of Nykaa nail polishes. Really, Nykaa has good range of nail polishes, so you definitely try. I recommend you this nail polish. It gives a nail art effect. And the cost rupees 199 rupees. It is worth the price because I love Nykaa nail polishes. And also if you do your household chores like 10 to 15 days तक अगर आप काम भी करोगे, household work भी करोगे, तो भी ये 10 to 15 days तो टिकता ही है nails पे. So this is the best part about Nykaa nail polishes. I recommend you this definitely. Just apply 2 coatings of it and you're good to go. And guys, the last product of this haul is this product, is this kajal, is Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. So this is how it looks like. This is of 170 rupees. 170 का है and 170 rupees का ही मुझे मिला है. So I used to use the Color Bar Kajal which was very very good, which is very very good. तो मैंने सोचा भाई ये टाइम दूसरा मेरा काजल खत्म हो गया, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा दूसरा ब्रांड का काजल यूज करते हैं. So this is how it looks like. एंड इट डिड अ वेरी वेरी गुड जॉब. मैंने ऊपर भी एज अ आईलाइनर यूज किया है, नीचे भी. काफी टाइम से मैं शूट कर रही हूँ, काफी देर से शूट कर रही हूँ अब तक. सो अभी तक बिल्कुल स्मज नहीं हुआ है. सो इट डिड अ वेरी वेरी गुड जॉब. सो आई डेफिनेटली लव दिस काजल. 170 रुपीज में आपको इतना अच्छा काजल मिल रहा है. सो इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर अ वेरी नाइस एंड अफोर्डेबल काजल, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस. एंड इट सेज इट्स वाटर प्रूफ, स्मज प्रूफ, इंटेंस ब्लैक. इट्स इंटेंस ब्लैक. सो येस, आई लव दिस. And let me swatch it and show you. I've already obviously used it. So this is how it looks like. It's so intense black. It's highly pigmented, very smooth. Just one glide and you're good to go. So in 170 rupees you're getting good kajal. So yes, I like this kajal. As you can see, very nice. It's a thumbs up from my side. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you like this Nykaa haul video. So yes, if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, वो लाल बटन है ना, वो दबाओ और सब्सक्राइब करो. कौन सा प्रोडक्ट का आपको रिव्यू देखना है वो भी कमेंट सेक्शन में दो. आपको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा वो भी मुझे बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में. अगेन सब्सक्राइब, लाल बटन दबाओ. बाय.